Soon, a new world of entertainment and information will open up to us. Telstra, Australia's leading communications company, and News Corporation have combined to form the Foxtel cable TV service. As Australians, we'll now be able to watch those programs that really appeal to us at the time we want to watch them. And in the future, Telstra will offer a range of exciting new interactive services such as home shopping, banking, education and online directories. The introduction of Telstra's cable network will certainly broaden our horizons. The first major service on the network will be Foxtel digital cable TV, due to start operating in the third quarter of this year. Over the next few years, Telstra will introduce a range of interactive services. These services will come to us through a fibre not much thicker than a human hair. The same type of optic fibre that today carries telephone, data and television signals around the world. For more than a year, while others have been making promises and headlines, we've been quietly connecting Australia's major cities in one of the world's largest optic fibre projects. The Telstra cable network is on target to pass more than 4 million Australian homes before the turn of the century. Today, thousands of homes are ready to be connected as soon as Foxtel cable TV services begin. Each week, thousands more join them as the installation of cables Australia-wide continues. Before the cables are laid, the coverage area is surveyed to try to maximise the use of existing telephone cable ducts. Sharing these ducts means the Telstra cable network can be designed for minimum impact on the environment. Survey information is fed into a multi-layered computer program, so each section of the cable network can be accurately designed. These plans are then passed to the construction group, which works with local council engineers to discuss their specifications, so the aesthetics of each area can be preserved. This is how Telstra's cable will work in your area. An optic fibre capable of carrying hundreds of television signals simultaneously is connected to a central point serving a large part of a suburb. From here, a distribution network of high-quality coax cable carries the signals along major roads to minor streets and finally into each house. In most cases, the cables from the optic fibre distribution point will be pulled through the existing underground ducts between concrete pits on the nature strip. In some suburban areas, there may be no room left in the cable ducts for additional wiring. Until recently, this would have meant digging a new full-length trench to lay PVC ducts through which the cable could be pulled. Concrete driveways and paths would have to have been cut and repatched or tunnelled under. Now, with technology almost as advanced as the optic fibre itself, Telstra is using a new technique called directional boring. This requires only a small hole in the nature strip to insert the bore. By using an electronic tracking device, the crew can control the depth and the direction of the bore from start to finish. The end result is that a trench that may have taken a day to complete now takes less than an hour. When customers begin connecting to the Telstra cable network, this same low-impact installation method can be used to get the cable to their homes. Each group of homes connected to the cable will be fed from an amplifier located in a nearby cable pit. These amplifiers ensure that each house is fed with signals of the proper strength for optimum reception. The picture quality of the entire cable network relies on local control and shouldn't require any further adjustment after its initial setup. Quality is one of the key benefits of pay television delivered by cable. Unlike other delivery systems, it isn't subject to ghosting or atmospheric reception problems. Foxtel's digital cable TV is more sophisticated than a free-to-air service because customers can only receive the channels they subscribe to, and this is controlled by a computer database located at the head-end control room. Telstra's cable network will be available to all types of premises. In larger multi-dwelling complexes, such as apartments or townhouses, Telstra will negotiate with body corporates to pre-wire so their buildings will be cable TV ready. No longer will Australians have to rely on what free-to-air television stations choose to provide. As the launch of Foxtel cable TV services comes closer, we'll be keeping customers up to date on when they can connect and begin to experience this brand new world of entertainment and information on the Telstra cable network.